morning children. In the real numbers, most of the children are confused how to find out HCF and LCM by using factorization method. Today I will explain the shortcut way, the clear-cut way to find out the LCM and HCF by using the factorization method. Listen carefully. First we will take the first problem. 12, 18. Prime factors in the sense we have to take only the prime numbers. So for that sake, if you take 12, 2 is the prime number, I will start with 2 here. 2 6 and 2 3 ja. How can we write here? 12 equal to 2 into 2 means 2 square into nothing is there in the sense power 1. So finally 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 power 1. This is a prime factorization of 12. The same manner, if you take 18, again this is the even number, we will start with 2 here. 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9. That means what? 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. That is nothing but 2 into 3 square. Nothing is there in the sense power 1, 2 power 1. So 18 can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 square. Now, first what we want here? LCM. Right. LCM. LCM means what? Least common multiple. Common multiple is equal to. So when common multiple in the sense here, in these two, 2 is common and 3 is common. These are the common multiples. So LCM. So whenever L is there, least is there, we have to take highest power in the common term. Highest power in the sense 2 power 1, 2 square is there. Here highest power is what? 2. So we can write 2 square. Reverse. Least in the sense we have to take highest into. In the common factor of 3, 3 power 1, 3 square is there. Here least we want. So highest we can take. 3 square we will take. So 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 9 ja 36. This is LCM of 12, 18 is equal to 36. In the same manner, HCF. HCF in the sense here, highest common factor, or we can also call GCD, greatest common divisor. Whatever it may be, the problem is same. HCF. Again, HCF of 12, 18 is equal to. Again, we will take this one only. 2 is a common. First, we will take 2. Power square. 2 square is there. 2 power 1 is there. Here, highest is there. We can take least power. So, in these two, the least is 2 power 1. We can take 2 power 1. In the common of 3 power 1, 3 square, the least is 3 power 1. We can take 3 power 1. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. 3 power 1 is nothing but 3. So, 2 3 is 6. So, HCF of 12, 18 is equal to 6. In this manner, we will find out LCM and HCF. One more problem is there, 12, 15, 15 and 21 is there. So, how can we solve? We will discuss now. So, in the second problem, 12 is there, 15 is there, 21 is there. First, we will take 12 here. 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. The same manner, 15 is there. So 15 is odd number. We will not start with 2. We will start with 3 here. 3 5 ja 15. Only 2 terms. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. The last 21 again 3 7 ja. So 21 can be written as 3 into 7. This is very important problem. So I will explain the shortcut. How to find out HCF and LCM here. Listen carefully. 12 is equal to 2 square into 3 power 1 here. 15 is equal to 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. And 21 is equal to 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. When you observe in these three, 2 is there, but here 2 is not there and 2 is not here. If you take 5 here, 5 is only here, not here and here. And 7 is also same thing. So whenever the problem is like this here, for make the problem easy, we will write like this. 2 square, 3 power 1 is there, 5 is not there. So we will take 5 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So we will write 5 power 0. And 7 is also not there, we will take 7 power 0. Again in this problem, 3 power 1 is there, 5 power 1 is there, no problem. 2 is not there in the problem, 2 power 0 I will write. 7 is not there, I am writing 7 power 0. And again 3 power 1, 7 power 1 is there, 2 is not there, we will take 2 power 0. And 5 is not there, we will take 5 power 0. If you write like this here, the problem will be very easy. Now, LCM of 12, 15, 21 is equal to. Now I am taking 2. 2 is a common. We already know L in the sense we will take highest. So 2 square, 2 power 0, 2 power 0, highest is 2 square. Again 3. All 3 contains power 1 only. Only 1 is there, highest 3 only, least is also 3 only. So 3 power 1. If you take 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 0. We want highest, so 5 power 1 I am taking. 7 power 0, 7 power 0, 7 power 1. We want highest, so I am taking 7 power 1. So 2 square is 4, 3, 5, 7. 5 4 are 20, 23 are 60, 67 are 420. This is LCM. Now, HCF. HCF of 12, 15, 21. Highest is there, we will take least here. Again, 2 square, 2 power 0, 2 power 0. The least is 2 power 0. 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. Least is also 3 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 0. The least is 5 power 0. 7 power 0, 7 power 0, 7 power 1. The least is 7 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1, 3 power 1 is 3, 5 power 0 is 1, 7 power 0 is also 1. Finally, 3. LCM value is 420 and HCF value